If you have ever lived in a small apartment, then you know very well that every little corner matters. While in a big space, you have the luxury to choose which design style you want or choose from a wide variety of furniture. A small space makes you think about all the ingenious ways to make a little extra room here and there, in order to create a place where you feel both comfortable, but that it also looks good. Today we present to you the top 10 space-saving furniture that are not only practical and pretty, but that we are sure you've never seen before. Number 1. Dock Sofa Bunk Bed. You know about sofa beds. It's an amazing idea in order to save space and use your living room as a bedroom. We've seen it, we love it, but quite frankly, we're a bit tired of it. But have you ever seen a sofa bunk bed? That's right, this sofa from the company Bon Compact Living turns into a bunk bed with one simple movement. You can choose from a wide range of finishes and fabrics in order to make it compatible with the rest of your house, and let's face it, if you have a guest over, they will never think what this stylish couch can actually do. Number 2. Stackable Chairs. When you have a small space, you will probably find out quickly that having chairs around is a problem, but not having them around, well, that's also a problem. So what do? You can always choose folding chairs, but to be honest, they do look a little bit, well, how do I say this politely? Cheap, not stylish, kinda desperate. Well, the designer Daniel Milstein Peltzberger came up with a set of stackable chairs that don't only save space exactly because they're stackable, but oh man, do they look wonderful too. Plus, their construction adheres to the Six Sigma philosophy, which means 0 defects. Yes, please. Number 3. Folding desk. The idea to have an office in the house when you live in a small apartment seems like some kind of cruel joke, but because designers thankfully started to realize that people who live in small apartments need to work too, and no, we don't just meet on the sofa, they created the folding desk. One company we particularly like, both because of the stunning design and its price, is Wooden Life Store. They made a folding desk which is wall mounted, so it literally takes up the space that a framed poster would take. Plus, it features 3 bill organizers, 2 adjustable shelves, 2 fixed shelves, and 1 cork board. Just add a chair or place it near a seating area, and your very cute office is ready to use, just like magic. Number 4. Ikea Shelving Unit. Ikea has been a lifesaver when it comes to cheap but yet beautiful furniture. But what about space saving? Well, we are very happy to say that they have joined in the fun. The popular Ivar storage system has added an addition that is perfect for small kitchens or dining rooms or, well, just anywhere really. When it's closed off, it's nothing more than a thin shelf, which you can store your plates and cooking accessories on. But when it opens, it's a table that can host 2, 3, or even 4 people. If you combine it with the stackable stools, then you take the least possible space. And if you don't like natural wood, then you are in for a treat because you can paint it super easily with chalk paint and get a super luxurious result. Number 5. Wlive Lift Top Coffee Table. A thing that both small spaces and big spaces need alike is a coffee table. Whether it doubles up as a nightstand or not, hey, we don't care. We just know you need one, and you know it too. But is there a way to pick one which will not be cluttered all the time? One that maybe saves space instead of taking up space? One that looks good but yet is also practical? Even though it seems like we might ask for too much, we don't. This amazing coffee table exists, and it's not even expensive. The Wlive coffee table has a hidden storage compartment, a side drawer, and a lift tabletop. Made from wood and metal, it can fit any style that you already have. And believe us, you can use it in so many ways that you will be amazed each day at how you could live all of these years without it. Number 6. Utex over the toilet storage. When life gives you a small bathroom, use a bathroom organizer. It might not work as a proverb, but it definitely works as a space-saving furniture choice. Made to fit most toilets, this perfectly lovely storage space will give you the extra shelves that you crave for on your small toilet. Store towels, decorative stuff, toilet paper, sanitary products, anything that you want really, and display them with pride. It is made with solid engineered wood that is designed to last a lifetime, and it really is the perfect way to save up all the floor space that you desperately need in order to make your bathroom look both bigger and tidier. Number 7. Hank. You might wonder who is Hank, and you'd be right, but Hank is not a person. Hank is an idea. Hank is, well, to be honest, one of the smartest and most beautiful designs that we have spotted around. It can perform multiple duties. It is a clothes hanger, it is a lamp, and it is an art piece. You can hang Hank, sorry we couldn't resist, wherever you want. It will double up as a place to show your beautiful clothes collection, a light to illuminate any room with a perfect glow. You can use the space under it to store your shoes, or just put a bench or whatever you want really underneath it. Hank, we love you. Number 8. Scala Chair. Have you ever wanted a chair that doubles up as a stepladder? No, you haven't? Because you use your chair as a stepladder? Well, no more. With Scala Chair you can have both a beautiful piece to sit made of ash wood and a stepladder that will keep you safe high up there and will also look beautiful even if you leave it open. Plus, you can always use the stepladder as a storage space for your books or decorations, and nobody will ever know that you actually picked this item because of its multiple uses. Number 9. Pen Plaques Catwalk Furniture. You might live in a small space, but that doesn't mean it doesn't have enough space for your cat. Our little furry monsters deserve the best, but hey, so do you. So why have the cat litter out for everyone to see and smell, when you can have it hidden in a beautiful inner shelf that has a cat-shaped hole for your friend to go and do their business, but also has a space on top to store your own things and a drawer to put inside either you or your cat's things. Put it in the bathroom or in the living room and give your furry baby the privacy that they deserve. Number 10. Window Blind Laundry Rack. You might be wondering what on earth it is that we're talking about. Well, the designers, Kim Bobin and Ko Kyungin, came up with this idea for a product called Blindry, which is both a stylish window blind and a practical laundry rack that looks better than any other that we have seen. You can use the light and heat coming from the window to dry your clothes faster and also to prevent moisture from coming on them. And of course, you save valuable floor space. It's not a big surprise that the designers won the Red Dot Award for this one. So there you have it. These were the top 10 most ingenious furniture designs that come especially handy in small spaces. Which was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.